guys, I just drove back into school from Chicago. It was our Thanksgiving break. So I just got back into the house and trying to see what I'm about to do right now. I have a lot of stuff to do. My mama hooked me up with the food too. I have so many Thanksgiving leftovers. Let me show you. I got the cheesecake, the spaghetti. Do you believe this? Mama Schaefer, you are just, what's this one? The mac and cheese, okay, yes. I'm gonna eat good. She even wrote what it was. This is the greens. The greens and what? The greens in the dressing, y'all. I'm finna eat good for like the next week straight. This all I'm eating, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I can't wait. Ooh, let me put that in the fridge. Ooh. Someone drunk all my wine. Anna, let me see if mine is in the... Yes, we need to clean our fridge out, I know, but I don't see it in here. Anna. Let me show y'all what I've been up to lately. Yeah, we won conference for tennis and I made the little school newspaper. I am starving. That's all I do is eat. Okay, so let me fix my plate. Yes. Let me try some jams on.
Powering on. Welcome to Alltech Lansing.
Welcome to Alltech Lansing. I think I'm gonna go old school. I'm looking kind of rough today. Just give me a day to get, situated back. Right now, I'm about to go shovel our snow because a blizzard came and there's literally like 8 inches of snow outside. Say hi, Louie. So this is my roomie's cat, Louie. Say hi. Hi. Let me show you guys what I'm dealing with. Isn't this crazy? Look at this. So I dropped my keys and my phone in the snow. Unbelievable, right? It was like trying to find a needle in a haystack. I couldn't believe I did that. Guys, I did a fairly good job. The Best Roomie Award goes to me. So right now I'm just drinking some tea, getting warm because I'm still freezing from being outside that long. And I was sitting here thinking like, where's Bay at? Like, I'm just kidding. Because literally he's out there saving the world right now. Veterans Day every day. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. I just wanted to give you a little snippet of what I'll be doing on my channel. As you can see, I have a new channel, so I'll just be vlogging whatever I do, wherever I go. And I guess we can add in some good advice along the way. We'll see. But thanks.